An unlicensed cookie factory that was substituting cocoa for a charcoal-based food additive was recently shut down for various violations. According to Business Insider, Egyptian officials targeted the facility, which was producing imitation products meant to look like other popular brands, for using expired and other unsafe ingredients. During the raid, authorities seized 1.8 tons of finished product and raw materials, including a barrel of expired glucose and boxes of expired butter. Inspectors also found a barrel of E153 vegetable carbon, a black food coloring that the manufacturer was using instead of cocoa to give the cookies the dark brown color typically associated with chocolate. According to the International Association of Color Manufacturers, E153 vegetable carbon is made by burning wood, cellulose residues, peat, and coconut and other shells at high temperatures. It's not approved for use in the US, but other countries allow it in bakery products, cheese coating, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. But the main concern for authorities was the facility was using it as a substitute for cocoa at an unlicensed factory. In response to the raid, Egyptian government officials are urging authorities to ramp up their inspection efforts at facilities. The owners of the unlicensed factory are now facing potential legal penalties. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.